I absolutely love this product. I use it in a small apartment. I use it right next to my sink, so that way it makes it easier for drainage. So that way I'm not like trying to run with a bucket or anything. I just take the hose off and drain it. Very simple, very easy to use. As you can see, I have several like undergarments and stuff in there. It's large capacity, really is. It has 15-minute wash cycle. I'll wash it, drain it, and then I rinse. And sometimes I do a second time depending on how dirty the clothes are. But you can open it up and actually really like see it working. Look, I even have like a couple pairs of little shorts in there. There's a lot in here, like a lot. And it really does really good. It's a lot of agitating, a lot of movement, a lot of really spinning everything in there. And that really is how it sounds. There's no dampening. I didn't dampen the mic or anything like that. It's that quiet. So overall, great value. And it works with the pods. So I put like one pod in there for a load, and it's plenty. I do kind of wish it had a spin out like dry feature, but it's okay. The price for the size, the capacity makes it well worth it. Well, thank you for watching, and thank you for making a great product.